tips for better sleep and creating a calming bedroom environment. Welcome back to our Wellness at Home channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that affects all of us: sleep. We all know how important a good night's sleep is for our overall well-being, so in this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to improve your sleep and create a calming bedroom environment. Let's get started. Declutter and organize. The first tip is to declutter and organize your bedroom. A cluttered space can make it difficult to relax and unwind. Start by removing any unnecessary items and finding proper storage solutions for your belongings. Keep your bedroom clean and tidy, allowing for a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Choose soothing colors. The colors in your bedroom can have a significant impact on your sleep. Opt for soothing colors like soft blues, greens, or neutrals. These colors promote relaxation and create a serene environment. Consider incorporating them into your bedding curtains or wall paint to set a tranquil mood. Invest in comfortable bedding. Your bedding plays a crucial role in the quality of your sleep. Choose high-quality, comfortable bedding materials that suit your preferences. Look for breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo, and select a mattress and pillows that provide proper support for your body. Remember, a good night's sleep starts with a cozy bed. Control light and noise. Light and noise can disrupt your sleep patterns. Install blackout curtains or blinds to block out external light sources, especially if you live in a brightly lit area. Additionally, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to minimize disruptive sounds and create a quieter sleeping environment. Establish a bedtime routine. Creating a consistent bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Establish a relaxing routine that suits your preferences. This could include activities like reading a book, practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises, or taking a warm bath. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Limit electronics. Electronic devices emit blue light that can interfere with your sleep. Minimize the use of electronic devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead, engage in activities that promote relaxation and prepare your mind for sleep. Temperature and ventilation. The temperature and ventilation in your bedroom can significantly impact your sleep quality. Aim for a cool, comfortable room temperature and ensure proper ventilation. Consider using a fan or adjusting the thermostat to create an environment that promotes better sleep. And that's a wrap on our tips for better sleep and creating a calming bedroom environment. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for your overall well-being, so don't overlook the importance of optimizing your sleep environment. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and you'll be on your way to enjoying more restful nights. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. Sleep tight, and take care.